let's get a check of the weather with Al, who's always certain about the forecast.
Well, we're unfortunately certain about some severe weather that's developing. We told you about this. We've got a high risk of severe weather. Last time this happened in March was 9 years ago. So we're looking for strong, long-track tornadoes possible. The big problem is these are overnight tornadoes and nocturnal tornadoes. In these states in red, at least 1 out of 3 tornadoes happen after dark, and that's dangerous. Why? We see usually tornadoes are more likely, twice as likely to be fatal at night. The reason, of course, well, first of all, a lot of folks are asleep. They're not aware of the warnings. Tornadoes are also difficult to see in the dark. To help you keep track of these, go to your iPhone or iPad and go to Settings, Notifications, Government Alerts. That will set off any warnings that come out. If you have an Android phone, Advanced Settings, Emergency Alerts, or you can go to your app store and download the Red Cross Tornado app at your app store. That will also alert you to any severe weather that's happening, especially overnight. Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.